How to connect the wireless network. Step 1. Choose Wi-Fi icon in the UI interface. Step 2. Turn on the Wi-Fi function. Step 3. Search for available Wi-Fi for network connection. In the video, we choose Wi-Fi named Realm. Step 4. Type the password. Select to continue. TV will connect Wi-Fi automatically. If wireless network, which you need to connect, isn't in the list, please select the CR. You will find more wireless networks. You can use Add New Network function to type the release network name. Select to continue. There are other options you can select according to your needs.